Gold has closed the week at record highs at 27-21 level. A strong bullish closing it is. After a couple of weeks of consolidation, we have seen now gold breaking out here. What to expect in the coming week? Can we expect this bullishness to continue here and move towards 2760, 2800 levels? Or the highs are done and it is set for a reversal or a swing here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and give you the trading levels and strategy. First with the Asia session, next with the US session, two updates a day. To get the notification, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of this update, I will be giving the trading levels for the coming week. Do watch till the not to mention that this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and a proper reasoning for your enterprise. So do not uh, forget to subscribe. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly chart, see it is a strong bull run which gold is continuing here. See, look at the move rise, retracement, and this is the third leg of rise here. If you just connect the dots, you will find the highs are above 2800 levels now. If it stays in the current channel in which it is trying to trade, but it appears the journey may not be so smooth for it. If you look at the move here, see it is after consolidating and forming a base at 2300. Now this is delivering straight bullish moves. And if you look at the formation here, rise, couple of retracement, then the rise, couple of retracement, then the rise, couple of retracement, and then this greener candle has appeared. Now it is possible that gold delivers similar set of formation of three candles here, which means in next 2 to 3 weeks again we can see it hitting the highs above 2800 levels. Possibility exists. Now a bullish close appears to indicate that we may see a positive beginning for the coming week. However, it is slightly overbought. Now again, also if you notice why the move now on the upside is definitely a bit overstressed, because see the divergence here from the 20 period moving average is consistently increasing here, and now the farther it goes the stronger is going to be the retracement. Possibly it could wait for the 20 period moving average to come towards 2600 levels and then retrace towards 2600. This possibility we can definitely expect. Now look at the stock IST. I am again and again highlighting this fact that gold is certainly entering into overbought zone, and possibly the month of October is going to be the last in this stretch of bull run, and we may see couple of retracement months from November and December onwards. And if it stretches the bull run for another month, the fall is going to be pretty strong. Be mindful of this. If you look at the weekly charts, stochastic whenever it moves to this zone, it definitely fails to sustain this. Yes, it can stretch this for a few weeks. That is already we have seen it happening here, and now it has to move downwards. Only thing is, it can stretch this move in the coming week as well before taking a downside. So yes, it is definitely staying overbought. Look at the MACD looking upwards, trading with divergence, and it is definitely at record levels which we have not seen historically for gold. It is breached past the 100 levels, and see the stronger the rise calls for a stronger pullback, but right now it is not showing any such sign. The RSI is also come to extremely overbought levels, and as I've shown in the past, if you see whenever the RSI moves to this zone, it always calls for a stronger pullback. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Every time, just take account of this. Whenever it hits this vertical highs, it calls for a vertical fall, and hence we have to be careful. Yes, it is not showing any signs of reversal, but again, the faster it rises, the stronger should be the drop. Likewise, on the monthly charts, if you look at the formation rise, retracement, rise, consolidation, and you can see a stronger run. So, ideally, I will take 2000 levels as a base, which is not far beyond timeline. See, this is just these levels were just there on February 2024, means 8 months back from now. And in 8 months, we have seen gold appreciating by almost 35% here. Definitely, this is the strongest run we have seen here for gold in the recent past. Look at the formation rise, retracement, consolidation here, and then this breakout has appeared In my year beginning review, I have mentioned that gold is set for a rally and it is continuing to. Now look at the monthly charts here. You can find out this is higher lows and higher highs which it is trying to deliver. And if you connect the dots, this is an expanding triangle here. And in the near term, it is for the last 3 months we have seen it drawing a parallel here. But look at this expansion here. Look at the delta here. This is consistently increasing here, increasing bullishness. It is. Next thing to note here is it is outside Bollinger Bands. Hence, there will be definitely difficulty for gold to sustain these levels. Half the month is passed by. We have 9 trading sessions left. It is possible that it can hit the highs before starting to retrace. Possibly, this could happen towards the end of the month where it could start to retrace, but before that, it can hit the highs. Yes, too much of divergence here. Where is the 20 period moving average sitting at? 2200 levels, too far below levels, and hence the pullback whenever it starts, it is going to be strong. Just like this, what has happened? This could begin soon. The second leg of this move should start to begin very, very soon. But right now, it is definitely looking upwards. Now, for the month, if it continues to rise, 2780 is going to be one critical level, which I do not expect it to break. Thus, you have to be cautious at around those levels, and that will be the point from where the reversal could begin. Yes, on the monthly charts also, the stochastic has hit an extremely overbought zone, which calls for it to start retracing. Look at the MACD on the monthly charts, trading with too much of divergence, increasingly bullish candles here, and thus it appears that the time has come. Possibly, again, we have discussed this every week, and yes, again, I am highlighting October could be the month from where uh, possibly beyond October, that is November, should be the month which is going to begin the retracement, and October could be the highs, is what we can see here for gold for the near. Because if you also notice, every leg of bull run is followed by a leg of bearish moves, and thus this should be the beginning of the reversal. RSI has hit the extremely overbought zone, and this is what you can see anytime historically. Whenever gold has hit such highs on RSI, it always follows with a sharper drop. Coming to the daily chart, look at the daily charts, rise, retracement, forming the base here. It is now again delivering the highs here. Where are the highs of this channel? First towards 2760 and then towards 2780 levels. This complete zone is going to remain crucial for gold here, else we are going to see 2800. Now see what has happened. It has formed a neck on the Bollinger Bands and it is now starting to expand. But if you also notice, the neck is expanding also on the downside. Now, this is definitely a bullish indication. And the second thing is it is closed outside Bollinger Bands, putting the pressure on the bands to expand. Possibly the first trading session is going to be difficult for gold because the higher it sees or the higher levels it achieves, possibly we may see a retracement on the very first day. It could show you a swing hitting the highs at 2740. We can see it retracing again towards 2700 and closing somewhere here, forming a doji, and then continuing here on the upside. This possibility we should not ignore. Second thing is increasing body size. Now, increasing body size here certainly suggests that increasing bullishness. However, this is also at the top of it, and hence now if it gives a breakout beyond 2740, we can look forward to a move towards 2758.61 and then towards 2778.82 levels. Possibility is there. However, we have to be cautious. It is getting extremely overbought. The stochastic on the daily charts is also extremely overbought. The MACD, now MACD has again crossed over here. See the waves here, it has just crossed over first bullish candle, so this could continue to diverge, and thus, as I said, first candle could be a swing candle, and then the follow-up candles should remain in the bullish or in the green. RSI just entering into overbought zone. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, interestingly, the bullishness has got diminished with the moves here. See this candle's body size is diminishing, and the last candle should be of a reversal confirmation. And that is why also I say now the first candle in the coming week is going to remain important. If it gives a breakout here, if it moves towards 2740 levels here, 2740, 2750, 60 zone, if it moves towards, it could call for a stronger reversal. Yes, here also if you see, the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average is increasing, 20 period moving average is rising. Now 2690, 2680 is the support, 26, rather I will say 2684, 85 is going to now remain the prime support for gold if it starts to retrace. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts is extremely overbought. The MACD has seen a V-shaped recovery. It is almost on the verge of hitting the top here, and the RSI is extremely overbought. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, and see, now it appears possibly the first trading session, it may hit the highs and then show a sharp reversal and can keep moving towards 2700 levels here. But then that could also follow up with a stronger rise in the next few sessions for the rest of the week. Now, before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And friends, it is very, very important for you to have a broker which is trustworthy, which is safe, secure, with global presence, which offers you a step-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Join it today. It is mandatory to have a broker which gives you a sense of satisfaction and safety. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Now, first, let's talk about the levels. Buy at 27.24 itself, but see, I'll tell you the resistances are very nearby towards 27.29, 27.36, 27.42, and once it breaks, see, this is going to be one prime level, or rather I will say this zone is going to be very critical for gold in the coming week. If it stays above this, chances for 2760 will increase, but the nearby resistance it will get is at 2751, then 2760 levels will appear. Breaking beyond this, ideally I will be looking forward to 2776, 2782. This is going to be the prime resistance here. If it stays above this, chances will be high that we are looking forward to 2800 levels. And hitting those levels, if it strikes 2800, I think we can stay short from gold at those levels, and possibly we can see a move in the coming months towards 2600, 2500 again. Possibility remains very, very. However, right now the environment is not very much supportive of the bears. It is very much conducive of a stronger bull run. Everyone is making a hype that gold is going to touch $3,000 levels. However, remember, these are just the predictions with the wave which is right now going on, and hence you have to be very, very cautious at the current level. Whenever the profit booking kicks in, it is going to be a stronger one. Now on the down, I will recommend a sell at 2716 levels. Expect 2707, 27, actually 2694, 96 is there, but in between 2707, 2704 is also good support. So 2694, 96, and below this you can expect 2684, 85 levels. If you see gold trading below this, stay short, and then we can look forward to a move towards 2671, 2660, and below this it can deliver a massive blow which can take the prices towards 2630 and then 2600 levels very, very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do not miss to watch the daily updates, which are going to remain critical for you to take a logical decision every day. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.